In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the maintenance mode in MacroFactor. First of all, if you don't have the application, make sure to go and download it and then log in into your account. If you have an account. If you don't, just go and create an account. It's paid, but you'll require, of course, or you'll be required to pay for a plan because it's paid. And you can get a free like trial for 7 days for $1 to try it out first of all. So what's the maintenance mode? Maintenance mode is simply a goal to maintain your current weights, meaning calorie targets are set to match your energy expenditure. So how to enable that? You can just go to the strategy here and we can go and set our new goal. Set a new goal, and here you'll have to choose maintain weights. So depending on the weight that you are, so for me, when I enter my weight, it was 73 kilograms. For you, it might have in pound. So you want maybe an example to maintain a 76 or 70, something random around that. So I'm just going to set 70, done. Set your new program. You can add your stuff manually or you can do coached. For me, I'm just going to do coached. So example, I want balance stuff. So basically here, you'll have to keep answering these questions. So what training program are you going to do? I'm just going to do none, stuff like that. So moderate, and they will set my program. Now, if I go, for example, I click on done, get started. If I go to my dashboard here, I'll be able to see how much calories I need to eat each day, how much protein, gram of protein I need to eat or to eat each day, how much fats I will need to eat, and how much carb as well I'll need to eat each day. And of course, here you'll be able to see consumed, and here you'll be able to see remaining. So how much remaining to finish the target of the day. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.